I just received the best gift for Mother's Day this year.
This is the 14-inch digital picture frame from Arizona. This is a great gift for Mother's Day this year, so I didn't want you to miss out, and I want to show you exactly how to set it up. If you're thinking about giving one to your family, trust me, it's one of the best gifts you can give. This digital picture frame is different than the ones you've seen before. It has a very modern, sleek look with a matte finish, which is why it doesn't look digital, but rather like art. I'm putting mine here in the entryway, and I love the size of this frame. It's unique. This is a 14-inch, and most others are about 10-inch, which adds to the clarity and vividness and really makes it stand out. Beautiful rose gold frame will fit in with the aesthetics of any home. Once you plug it in and give it a minute to turn on, you'll choose your language and connect to Wi-Fi, and then it'll ask you to name your frame. Then you'll scan the QR code to download the Arizona app. The app is super simple. This is where all of your photos and videos will be uploading from. Yes, you can upload videos up to 2 minutes long. There's an unlimited cloud storage, so you can upload as many photos and videos as you want. It's as easy as opening the app, select Add Photos, choose the photos, and then press Upload and watch them come through on the screen.
And if you're thinking about gifting one to a family this year, trust me, this is the best gift that you can give. This digital frame is different than the ones that you've seen before, and that's why I chose to share it with you guys. It has a very modern and sleek look with a matte finish, which is why it doesn't look digital, but rather natural. You can flip it from portrait to landscape, and it automatically adjusts to the picture. You can also hang it on the wall. There's a little opening here in the back for a screw, so you're able to hang it on the wall like a piece of art. And just a really quick thought about this, for me anyways, is I'm gonna put this in my kitchen because that's where I like it the most. Because you can set this display to show, I think it's from 30 seconds to 24 hours, you can upload recipes to this and have it in your kitchen. You can delete it after you're done so that you can just have your regular photo montage. But how wonderful is it to be able to have something this large in your kitchen, especially for us older folks, and have a recipe on it to follow while you're cooking. Wonderful, wonderful idea. And I bet nobody's thought about that but me. So this is a great gift for those cooks in your family as well. The size of this frame is truly unique. It's 14 inches, which most of the other frames, like the one I have at home, I think is an 8-inch, but most of them are about 10 inches. So the size of this is fabulous. I love that it has the touch screen aspect to it, so you can scroll through your photos just like a photo album. I love that about it. You can also add friends and family just right here where the little person with the plus sign, you just click that. You ask them if they're here to scan the QR code, or you can send them a link. You can see here I've already added 5 family members, and they've really enjoyed sending me pictures, and I've enjoyed receiving them. And when you get the pictures, you're able to just tap the heart. Also right here in settings, if you click that, you're able to manage the brightness of the screen. I like mine a little bit brighter. And volume, you can turn the volume up so that it plays videos. You're also able to upload photos from your computer to the frame, and all you do is go into settings again, manage files, transfer from computer. It'll tell you right here how to transfer, and the USB connection is right here in the back of the screen. I love that my family is keeping me in the loop daily. Nothing is better than walking by the frame and seeing their smiling faces and daily activities. And every time time they upload a photo, it's a surprise moment. I love this frame, you guys. I love the rose gold frame on it. It's just so beautiful. I love the option of the landscape or portrait. I just love that option on here. If you guys are interested in purchasing one of the frames, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description for you guys down below. If you guys have any questions about anything concerning this frame, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and I'll get back to you. But I love this frame. Like I said, I love the sleek look. I love the rose gold frame. It's beautiful and fits in perfectly with the aesthetics of the house. I've left the link in the description for you guys. If you're interested, just go ahead and check that out. It's the perfect gift this Mother's Day for all of the moms in your lives. If you're blessed to still have your mom here on earth, this would make a lovely gift for her. It's a great gift for best friends, for sisters, for cousins, and even for yourself. Don't forget about yourself this Mother's Day, you guys. It's a great gift.
Yeah, I'm coming out.